Hey everyone, welcome back to Better You Blueprint. Today, we're diving into a topic that deserves a lot more attention: 10 life-changing benefits of staying single. Let me start with a question. Have you ever felt like being single is some kind of waiting room, like you're just passing time until you meet the one? Or maybe you've been told that you can't be truly happy unless you're in a relationship? Well, today, we're flipping that script. Being single isn't just a phase. It can be a season of incredible growth, empowerment, and discovery. In fact, staying single might just be one of the best things you'll ever do for yourself. By the end of this video, you'll have 10 amazing reasons to celebrate your single life, whether you're currently single or just curious about the benefits. And here's a quick reminder: if you enjoy content that inspires personal growth and self-love, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Ready to unlock the power of being single? Let's dive in. 1. You get to know yourself. Think about this for a second. When was the last time you asked yourself what truly makes you happy? What are your dreams, your values, your priorities? When you're in a relationship, it's easy for your identity to become intertwined with someone else's. But being single gives you a unique opportunity to reconnect with yourself on a deep level. It's a time to explore your passions, discover what drives you, and figure out who you are, without external influences. For example, maybe you've always wanted to try painting, start your own business, or even travel solo. When you're single, you can dive into those experiences without needing anyone else's approval or input. This period of self-discovery is incredibly empowering because it lays the foundation for the rest of your life. You're not just waiting for someone to complete you. You're becoming whole on your own. 2. Complete freedom. Let's talk about freedom. Being single gives you a level of autonomy that's hard to replicate in any other phase of life. Want to pack your bags and move to a new city? Go for it. Feel like spending your weekend binge watching Netflix, exploring a new hobby, or taking a spontaneous road trip? The choice is entirely yours. When you're in a relationship, even the best ones, there's always an element of compromise. You have to consider someone else's needs, schedule, and preferences. And while that's not a bad thing, it does mean giving up a certain level of freedom. Being single allows you to fully embrace your independence and design a life that reflects your unique vision. It's about living life on your own terms, without restrictions. 3. Financial independence. Here's a big one: money. Relationships, while beautiful, often come with financial commitments: date nights, vacations, gifts, shared expenses. When you're single, you have full control over your finances. You get to decide how to spend, save, and invest your money. Maybe you want to save for a house, take a course to advance your career, or even splurge on something you've always wanted. Being financially independent is incredibly liberating. It allows you to prioritize your goals and build a future that aligns with your dreams. Plus, you don't have to worry about navigating the financial complexities that often come with relationships. 4. Time for your passions. Have you ever felt like life was so busy that you couldn't find time for the things you love? Being single is the perfect opportunity to reconnect with your passions, or discover brand new ones. Think about it. What have you always wanted to do but never had the time for? Maybe it's learning a new language, writing a book, mastering yoga, or diving into photography. When you're single, your time is entirely yours. You can dedicate yourself to the things that light you up, without distractions or compromises. And here's the amazing part: when you focus on your passions, you're not just filling your time, you're building a life that feels meaningful and fulfilling. 5. Stronger friendships. Relationships are amazing, but let's be real, they can sometimes pull you away from your friends. When you're single, you have the chance to reconnect with your social circle and strengthen those bonds. You can plan regular hangouts, catch up over coffee, or even take a trip with your closest friends. These moments remind you that love and connection come in many forms, not just romantic ones. Strong friendships provide support, joy, and a sense of community. And the best part? They often last a lifetime. So, use this time to invest in those relationships and create memories that you'll treasure forever. 6. Less stress, more peace. Let's face it, relationships, as beautiful as they can be, come with their own set of challenges. Arguments, misunderstandings, and compromises are all part of the package. When you're single, you get to create a life that feels peaceful and stress-free. You don't have to worry about navigating someone else's emotions or meeting their expectations. Instead, you can focus on maintaining your own emotional balance and well-being. This sense of peace is invaluable. It allows you to build a life that feels calm, centered, and authentically yours. 7. Growth and self-improvement. Being single is the ultimate growth phase. With no one else's schedule or priorities to juggle, you can dedicate yourself to becoming the best version of yourself. Want to get fit, learn a new skill, or work on your mindset? Now's the time. Personal growth not only boosts your confidence but also sets you up for success in every area of your life. This phase is all about investing in yourself, your health, your knowledge, and your future. And the beauty of it is that you're growing for yourself, not for anyone else. 8. Better mental health. Relationships can be beautiful, but they can also be emotionally taxing. When you're single, you have the opportunity to focus entirely on your mental health. You can set boundaries that work for you, prioritize self-care, and even seek therapy or other forms of support if needed. This is your time to heal, reflect, and build emotional resilience. A strong mental foundation is key to living a happy and fulfilling life, and being single gives you the space to create it. 9. You build self-confidence. There's something incredibly empowering about standing on your own 2 feet. When you're single, you learn to solve problems, make decisions, and celebrate your wins without needing validation from anyone else. This independence builds a deep sense of self-confidence. You realize that you are capable of living a full and happy life on your own, and that realization is priceless. Confidence isn't just about how you look or what you achieve. It's about knowing that you can rely on yourself, no matter what. 10. You're ready for the right relationship. Finally, being single is the perfect time to prepare for the right relationship, if and when you want one. When you take the time to heal, grow, and build a life you love, you're in a much better position to attract a partner who complements your journey instead of complicating it. It's not about finding someone to complete you, it's about finding someone who adds to the amazing life you've already built. And that starts with embracing your single life to the fullest. So, which of these benefits hit home for you? Are you ready to embrace your single life and all the incredible opportunities it offers? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. And here's one final question to leave you with. What would your single life look like if you gave it your all? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.